Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting your fitness journey, one thing remains constant. Proper form and technique are the foundations of a safe and effective workout. Today, we've got a must-watch video for you as we unveil the top 5 tips to enhance your form and technique in any exercise. It's not just about lifting heavy or pushing your limits, it's about doing it right. These tips aren't just for the pros, they're for everyone striving to get the most out of their workouts while preventing those pesky injuries. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to achieving impeccable form and technique in your workouts, ensuring you're on the path to success on your health and fitness journey. Let's get started. 1. Start with a warm-up. Commencing your exercise routine with a proper warm-up is not just a suggested practice, it's a fundamental aspect of physical fitness. Think of a warm-up as the bridge between your sedentary state and the vigorous activity that follows. When you engage in a warm-up, your body undergoes a series of vital physiological changes. First and foremost, your heart rate gradually increases, pumping more blood to your muscles. This surge in circulation supplies your working muscles with the oxygen and nutrients they need for optimal performance. Moreover, a warm-up encourages the production of synovial fluid in your joints, effectively lubricating them. This lubrication reduces friction between joint surfaces and allows for smoother, safer movements. Simultaneously, warm-up exercises like dynamic stretching or gentle, controlled movements promote improved muscle flexibility. When your muscles are more flexible, they are less prone to strains, tears, and other injuries during exercise. When it comes to the types of warm-up exercises, they should align with the movements you'll perform in your main workout. For instance, if you're gearing up for a cardio-intensive session, start with light jogging or cycling, gradually increasing the intensity over a few minutes. On the other hand, dynamic stretches that involve controlled, full range of motion movements are excellent for enhancing flexibility and joint mobility. In summary, starting your workout with a warm-up is non-negotiable for anyone committed to their fitness journey. It prepares your body both physically and mentally for the challenges ahead, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall exercise effectiveness. It's a wise investment of just a few extra minutes that can pay significant dividends in your pursuit of health and fitness. 2. Focus on posture and alignment. Maintaining proper posture and alignment during exercises is paramount to achieving effective and injury-free workouts. Think of it as the framework upon which your exercises are built. When your body is correctly aligned, each muscle group can engage as intended, ensuring you get the most out of every movement. For example, during resistance training, if your posture is compromised, it can lead to inefficient muscle engagement and even strain or injury. It's important to understand the specific posture and alignment requirements for the exercises you're performing. For instance, when lifting weights, your spine should be in a neutral position, your core engaged, and your shoulders back and down. In contrast, during yoga or body weight exercises, maintaining proper spinal alignment and balance is crucial. Neglecting these principles can lead to muscle imbalances, joint stress, and diminished results. Focusing on posture and alignment not only maximizes the effectiveness of your workouts but also reduces the risk of injury. It ensures that you're targeting the right muscle groups, preventing undue strain on joints, and promoting overall exercise efficiency. Incorporating this tip into your fitness routine can lead to more significant gains and a safer, more enjoyable fitness journey. 3. Use a mirror or record yourself. In the pursuit of perfecting your exercise form and technique, visual feedback can be a game changer, and that's where using a mirror or recording yourself comes into play. Often, when we perform exercises, it's challenging to self-assess our form in real time. By utilizing a mirror or recording your workouts, you gain a valuable perspective that helps you identify areas for improvement. A mirror allows you to watch yourself as you perform various movements, ensuring your posture and alignment are on point. It's particularly beneficial for exercises that involve complex body positioning or precise form, such as yoga poses or weightlifting. You can make immediate adjustments based on what you see in the mirror, helping you maintain proper form throughout your workout. Both methods offer an objective perspective on your form, which can be particularly helpful when you're not working out with a trainer or workout partner who can provide immediate feedback. They allow you to become your own coach, ensuring that you continually refine your form and technique over time. In the end, this commitment to self-improvement translates to safer, more effective workouts and greater progress on your health and fitness journey. 4. Start with light weights. When it comes to resistance training, particularly weightlifting, it's tempting to aim for heavier weights to prove your strength and push your limits. However, one of the most crucial aspects of effective and safe resistance training is to start with light weights, especially if you're a beginner or returning to exercise after a hiatus. Beginning with light weights serves several important purposes. First and foremost, it allows your muscles to adapt gradually to the demands of resistance training. This is essential for injury prevention because it reduces the risk of straining or overloading your muscles, tendons, and joints. Second, lighter weights enable you to focus on your form and technique. When the resistance is manageable, you can concentrate on executing exercises with impeccable form, which is fundamental to targeting the right muscles and preventing injury. Proper form also ensures that you get the most out of each repetition. As you gain experience and confidence in your form, you can progressively increase the weight to challenge your muscles further. This gradual progression is not only safer but also more effective for building strength and muscle mass over time. 5. Seek guidance and feedback. On your journey to improving form and technique in your exercises, it's essential to recognize that you don't have to go it alone. Seeking guidance and feedback from fitness professionals or experienced individuals can be a game changer. While you can certainly make progress through self-motivation and online resources, having someone knowledgeable by your side can accelerate your growth and minimize errors. A certified fitness trainer or coach can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific goals and abilities. They can design workout plans that emphasize proper form and technique, helping you maximize the benefits of your exercises while minimizing the risk of injury. Additionally, trainers can offer real-time feedback during your workouts, correcting your form and making necessary adjustments. Remember that fitness is a journey, and it's perfectly acceptable to seek guidance and feedback to continuously improve. Whether you opt for professional guidance or find support within a community, don't hesitate to ask questions and seek advice. Learning from others' experiences and knowledge can help you refine your technique, set realistic goals, and stay motivated on your path to better form, technique, and overall fitness. In closing, we've covered the top 5 tips to help you improve your form and technique in any exercise. Remember that achieving better form not only enhances your results but also keeps you safe from injuries, allowing you to enjoy a long and fruitful fitness journey. But our journey doesn't end here. If you found these tips helpful, and if you're committed to reaching your fitness goals while staying injury-free, I invite you to take action. Click the link in the video description below to explore more in-depth tutorials, workout routines, and expert advice on our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, ensuring that you're always on the right track to achieving your fitness aspirations. And if you've enjoyed this video and found value in our tips, please don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others who might benefit. Your support and engagement mean the world to us, and it motivates us to continue creating informative and empowering content for your health and fitness journey. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to helping you on your path to a healthier, stronger, and happier you. Until next time, keep moving forward, keep pushing your limits, and keep striving for your best self.